Oh, so my friends, another video from me. I have now the good luck that I reached Oman to see UGPM. I think they are the biggest manhole producer with Krah pipes worldwide. And this is the plant number one. I will meet Keaton. He will explain me everything, what is new, what's going on. And I hope it's a very nice short company trip in 3 different plants. UGPM 1, 2 and 3.
And here you can see one of the largest pipes manufactured in Oman for a sewage project, 2.4 meters in diameter.
And now good, here is the good old friend, very famous Keaton. They call him the master of manholes made
Hello
by
there.
Krah pipes.
Hi, how are you?
And I'm always a little bit jealous because see, he
Of
has a
mine.
nice ponytail and I'm losing my hairs a lot. But no problem, he will show us, all of us, all the 3 plants and how they produce the manholes and how they are very successful.
Let's go inside the plant.
Here now I'm in the entrance of the plant with all the little things they did. Very nice reception desk.
So these are the offices. He is our quality engineer. Hello. So this is the production facility. The beautiful Krah machine.
This is the time where all our people can be very proud. This machine basically supplied in the year 2002, upgraded several times and still working on the output of the first day. So they treat the machine well and it seems the pipe quality is also very good.
I have some production going on. It's a 1400 mm pipe. This is the cooling station and the dismantling and quality control area, finishing station. Okay.
It's very nice. They also produce solid wall pipe, not only structured wall pipe. And you can see here, it's a 2000 millimeter ID SDR 26 for 10 bar. And I think they use this for many pressure application. And close to this one, we have a structured wall pipe. You can see how the structure wall is set up, and a little bit bigger. So here you can see really like the long time of experience in different applications, and the product quality is really unbelievable good after 25 years of production of the machine. I found a very nice test equipment here, and I never saw before. But I will ask, so what kind of test equipment is this?
This one we perform the durability test at 80 degrees temperature with 0.2 bar as per the EN 13598 for 2 specification. test called durability test, where you immerse that manhole for 1,000 hours at 0.2 bar pressure at 80 degrees. Then once it is finished with the testing, then you have to see structurally is there any failure in the structure. That is what the significance of this testing.
Okay, I think nobody else in the world has this machine.
So far nobody done. Even in Europe we checked, there is no laboratory conducting with such a bigger diameter. Only Oman has been conducted. It was in 2014.
Okay, very nice. You can see this equipment I never saw before, but I'm still young, maybe I will see it. And here in Oman, I saw it because one of the main business is manholes. How many manholes you made in the last years?
Last year, let's say more or less around 2000.
And in all your lifetime of the company?
It is around 40,000 members, 40,000 manholes.
Like 40,000 manholes. Wow, unbelievable.
This one. Alright, so this is the display room. And of course, a lot of other materials. Okay, this is a cross section of a profile pipe. And the most important thing to see here is the thickness of the socket and spigot. It's close to 40-45 millimeter thick at the joints itself. Vacuum chamber, a sample of a profile pipe with the socket and spigot and the brass wire at the socket for electrofusion welding, puddle flange, intern. We have in fact manufactured a lot of storage tanks, both vertical and horizontal. So now let's go to our laboratory. Here is our QC engineers. Melt flow rate test, moisture content test, density, oxidation induction test. Lot of samples here for different projects. Hydrostatic pressure test for pressure application, tensile test, and of course the main test that we all need is the ring stiffness test for gravity application. So this was a tour of our plant 1. Now let's go to plant 2. Since it's really hot right now in Muscat, I'm going by car, and this is the plant 2. We are entering plant 2. Oh, a lot of pipes.
Now we plant number 2. We all together, and Keaton will show me the plant number 2. He's there with his ponytail. I follow his tail.
So this is our plant 2. Some pipes being stored here for delivery. And this is the second production line.
This was a very old machine. Still in this machine, the extruder was moving, and we were not supplying this machine since many, many years. And you know, I'm kind of proud also this machine producing with the original output. Same extruder, same screw, same everything. Not bad at all. But now Keaton will show me all the rest.
And we have our machining department, different molds, all kinds of machines, lathe and milling machine, thermoformed benching again, and those are the thermoformed benching machines which was designed by us. These are the stock of thermoformed benching, standard 5 inlet and 1 outlet.
I just found something very nice. Solid wall. You see, this is my head, big head, all solid wall, pressure pipe, and completely out of voids, out of everything.
This is the manufacturing of the welding rods. These are all welding rods manufactured here. Okay, so this is plant 2, where we have another production machine and we have full manufacturing capability for all kinds of fittings. Special fabrication is all done in plant 2. Now let's go to plant 3. This is plant 3. It is the biggest of the 3 plants, and this is where all the fabrication of manholes happen. So let's go inside and see. These are the silos used to store raw materials. These tanks have been there here for many years since the plant started, and it's been under direct sunlight, exposure of direct sunlight. Some of the manholes manufactured, pipes, 2.2 meter diameter pipes manufactured and waiting for delivery. Backdrop fittings.
Very nice big flanges. So now you know the size of the pipe, because I'm really tall. I think I'm close to 1 meter 80, not very close to, but let's call it close to 1 meter 80. So you see how big these pipes are.
This is where the production of the manhole takes place. Some of the inspection chambers and manholes. This is the production area of manholes. These are some of the manholes waiting to be finished and dispatched to our client in Abu Dhabi. Manhole with a backdrop. This is the area for leak test and load test. Large size butt fusion machines and some manholes again.
Ethan, I am melting. We have to go. It's too hot. Okay, I forgot yesterday to say goodbye to Keaton and the team. So I will take now the opportunity to do it now in the car while Keaton is driving me. Keaton, you know him. He is the one with the ponytail and in sales. And so thank you very much for all the team, especially Keaton. And now I hope he will not make an accident on the street when I ask him to say the last words.
Thank you very much, Sir Alexander, to visit Muscat. I mean, it was really a pleasure to have you here. And all of them enjoyed meeting you. It was fun. I hope you come back again and see a lot more of what we do. So thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Keaton. And see you soon in Abu Dhabi, in Germany, or in Oman. Bye-bye.